Heidi. She's gonna show us how to turn something like this into something amazing like this on a tiny budget
with lots of creativity and DIY labor.
Let's get to work. And a house is not a home without the bedroom. Heidi, come on in here. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house because you really just reused, recycled. I mean, you gave self-sustainability a whole new name. So tell us about mainly these lockers.
Oh, the lockers are super cool. This house is only 1,000 square feet. Obviously, storage is an issue, and that's how I got some extra storage in my bedroom and made it look kind of cool.
Well, and not only just cool, but you're close to the mountain, so this isn't just the way it looks. This has a purpose.
It does. So everything I did here is either on wheels or it's metal. It's something that scorpions can't climb up.
I have to say, I love about you, Heidi, I absolutely adore about you is you're not afraid to get your hands dirty. You're not afraid to do the hard work. I love that. A lot of people aren't willing to do that, and that's going to save you some money. But what's this? This is a door, but not really.
It's a vintage door that I found on Save the Junk on Facebook, and I painted it orange and put some brackets at the top to hang it. Voila.
It's all about the mind. Your mentality, just you have to think outside of the box. That's going to save your wallet, and that's going to save our environment. Okay, let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
Oh my God, it looks like a little chair.
It does, but you know what? It's a holder for all my knickknacks and paddywhacks in the kitchen so they don't clutter up my countertops.
Did you say knick-knack paddywhack? Is that the name of it?
Yeah, give a dog a bone.
Okay, so tell me how you put this together.
Really simple. I found when I took out the garbage, there was an old chair in the alley, and I thought it was really interesting, and it was kind of broken up. We brought it into the backyard, glued it back together, painted it.
You put Humpty together again?
Yes, that's exactly.
And gave him a whole new look.
Exactly.
So this keeps you from being cluttered. It's repurposing. We're saving money, and we're keeping things out of the landfill.
Exactly.
I love that. Let's go look at some other stuff. So what inspired you?
Well, one day, this is crazy, but my daughter came home in about 3rd grade, and we're eating dinner, and she's like, she picks up her napkin and says, do you know how many trees we're killing just using napkins, just the two of us?
It's always the
in
kids.
a year, right? And ever since then, I've used cloth napkins. I use cloth for paper towels and cleaning, and save the old towels and cut them into pieces and whatever. I don't buy any paper if I can avoid it.
Literally, I could be here all day touring this house and learning more and more ways to be self-sufficient. You are absolutely incredible. Thank you for sharing tips with us.
You're so welcome.
Do you have any other, just if you had one thing you wanted to tell people of how to change their mentality to get more out of life, what would it be?
Definitely. I would say many times when I go to purchase something, or I think I need something, or I'm like, oh, I need this for that, if I look around the house and I have something that'll serve that purpose, I might have to do a little bit to modify it, but I don't have to buy anything new.
So it really is all in your thinking.
Totally.
Heidi said it. You know it's true. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, share our video, like, subscribe, and watch it over and over again. Thanks for watching, and we're going to do a little bit more work, right?
Right.
Bye, guys.